tituwenze mutusibe ku lusikiitu n'okwongera okutwogerera ebikikinike mbutuliwo kulwanisa sijui kibiina fulani sijui kibiina fulani. Ife olutalo lwaife lulina General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ne system ye emubeezaawo muki mu gavumenti. Omuntu asira gavumenti tukulwanisa tutya? Ng'otwaire ku NRM kibiina ki mu Uganda ekindi ekiwandiika ku lupapula nirukola, kibiina ki ekindi ekigaba police bond, waliwo ekibiina wano ekigaba court bail nga si NRM. Kibiina ki ekindi ekirya sente dde oluguudo oba ekirulima. So lwaki mweta mu firing line? So timumalira bantu biseera not said badi bawoireku musoke musirike mwire mubekula ebitabo bya political science we munafuna notice mwida kuira mu kisaawo. Bati mweta mu firing line ya bwerere tini mwa abayina gavumenti ifero likunonya gavumenti era tugisobola. President wuyo, Secretary General ndiwo, ba professor baliwo, ba lawyer tulinabo. Buti kabadde kyakaba mu government yakasobola otulemesa. Ngane merera wali mu parliament as a leader of government business. Prime Minister General Bigirwa Moses mukoba nti ebintu bitambula. Wacha wewe. So timweta mu firing line ife tuli kulwanisa omuntu gwe twidde obuki obulungi. Era yatwiriza iro omuliro. Yatandise iro kanga abantu baife. Abantu baife tubayirenga nabo wano abavuye mu Western Uganda abandi abakubira amasimu agabatiisa. Olisegeera ate imwaba imwe ngate babatiisa. Kubanga bamemba bava mu Western Uganda abali mu NUP bali comfortable, abali mu FDC bali comfortable. Ife babatiisiza. Why? Abandi babagobye ku mirimo just 14 days in existence. Abantu baife abandi babagobye ku mirimo. Tuna engineer waife yabaira kola mu water bamubizi. Tuna council waife ya delegates conference ya mu wogezi wano obwiduvu bamutaire kwembeera ati kino nkaiwe wetabire mu bintu ebyo olulalo lwavuze wano olukambwe ino benda tusuuza bamemba baife ate imwe abaimwe bali comfortable takudde kyakali awo. So twabazwire ayiti mututaanula. So ekisemberayo irala nti tujja kuba ne political academy eitendekero eryabakulembeze ku mitendera gyonna. Tuli kwenda abantu baife babenga basobola okwatitulatinga issues. Tujja kubakobera ideology yaife mu bwiduvu bwayo kubanga abamawulire mutendera.
Salamu alaikum. Agati nakalembe omusomi w'edduwa bw'oba wenyiye embeera embi yankusomere ku dduwa. Abali ebweru mirimu gigaanyi papula zeesibye kino kyekyoto kwensabira omukisa kobe ng'odiriddawa wali wenkusabira n'ofuna emikisa. Ky'oba olabanga abirira ebinyonyi ebitalina kyakulya naawe atalina mulimu jankusomere ku dduwa ofuna omukisa. Eno ennyanja kwesira buli kimu ekisira ne kiba kikujjudde nekikasuka mu nnyanja nekikunta nekigenda. Nze Agati Nakalembe kambawo ennamba yange yeeno 075237529 temuddeeyo nemwebakira ebizibu mukoye ku nnamba yange eno.
Uganda, who came from Eastern Uganda and who came from Central Region as well. We are working on the strategy on how we are going to penetrate Northern Uganda. Don't be scared because you are not seeing any member from Northern Uganda. It is a tactical plan, and it has been on our plan because we are going to go there. Because even this one, we have picked only leaders. We have not brought delegations, because this is our first press conference. It's just a press conference. So you need to take note of that. And then too, I want to make some administrative announcement as the Secretary General. that one, this is our command post 1. In a common man's language, we call it command post 1. We are tired of words like headquarters. We are at the Chitebe, tuli ku Chitebe wano, anti Chitebe Chigambia. We are tired of those old words in politics. So this is command post 1, where the president sits and the entire team, and then we command. Definitely the second command post will be in Busoga, as the spokesperson has said, and it has already been decorated. It will be our next activity to unveil. It will be in Kamuli. Actually, early next week we shall be there unveiling our second command post. So, after opening up our command post 1, administratively, as a Secretary General, I am calling upon the common men. I am calling upon all Ugandans who are interested in politics. Please, this is your political party. I am calling upon all Ugandans. I am calling upon politicians who are struggling within other parties. You know, the dictatorial tendencies which are going on in other parties. People are not breathing. People they don't know what next. Please come to your party. Come to the common man. Here the future is very open. We are equal here. We don't want to suffocate anyone or any voice. So I take this opportunity to welcome you Ugandans to come and join us here. The leadership is very clear. We are developing at a rapid speed. You are seeing. So don't waste your time whenever you are. And then another thing. You can see how we are recruiting. I want to clear the air. There are some actors who are very scared with our existence. That our formation is meant to fight them because they have been in existence for some few years. It is not true. For us, we are recruiting from the NRM. And NRM is our main opponent. Therefore, those who are scared with our existence, don't be scared. You stay where you are. For us, we are recruiting from the NRM. You have witnessed here. Therefore, don't attack us. Because we are also good fighters. You may think that we are very few. We are not. We are not few. You have seen our networks within the enemy's region from Western. We have many parties who have been in existence for many years. They cannot produce any single representative from Angoli, from Bunyoro, from Chigezi, from Kasese. But we have adduced the evidence within 14 days. Existence of 14 days, Mr. President. Therefore, don't be scared. For us, we are fighting General Kaguta Museveni and his establishment. We are not fighting FDC. We are not fighting DP. Sijui Nupu, sijui what. Takataka yote. No. Our focus is with that man who has the state power. No, what is that DP? For sure. What is that FDC? What is that NUP? Nothing. Totally nothing. So our bullets and the focus and the missile are pointing in the direction of Nakasero, the State House. Lastly, I want also to update you, because when we we launched here, there are some other voices who came out, administrative voices from the Electoral Commission, that we don't exist legally. So let me talk about our legal existence. We were officially gazetted, and our party is number 9 on the list of other political parties in Uganda. Those who want to check the facts, you can cross-check with the Uganda Gazette. So legally we exist, and you'll never see or you'll never hear any other contradiction voice trying to blackmail, trying to minimize, trying to belittle our existence. No. We are legally existing, and we are operating legally. That one is very important. So those who want to contest on our ticket, Dorusania, me as the Secretary General, I'm just waiting for you. I have the pen, the documents are well prepared. We are going to sign for you, and you can acquire positions of leadership. I am telling you what we are going to do. As your Secretary General, I will be a member of Parliament for Kamuli Municipality. So I will lead you in Parliament. So come. Don't waste even your time. Second last is that we shall have a Common Man's Political Academy. It will be here. We want to train younger leaders. You have seen these younger boys who are emerging, who are interested to participate in politics. They need the training. Me, I have experience of 25 years, just like my president. So I have a lot of wisdom and knowledge to share with my younger brothers and sisters. In fact, I am a political lecturer. You know it very well. The media, you know it very well. Just like my president. He has a PhD in political science. That is street politics. And it is the most effective politics in the whole world. Yes. Because for me, you cannot bring a professor from Makerere to debate with me politically. It is theoretical. Me, I'm practical. He cannot match with me. He cannot match with the president. Just imagine the experience of 25 years in politics. It is not a joke. Others, they want to achieve it within 3 to 4 years. That's why you are seeing they are trying to you will not acquire experience of 25 years within the shortest period of time. It's like going to a gym. Let me use an example to my professor. Professor, you can stand up for recognition. It's like that professor going to a gym and he wants to reduce my weight within 2 days. It is not possible. He has to follow the procedure of the gym. So that is it. Lastly, I want also to correct the thing. I mean to correct we have our symbol and the slogan. For us, we salute. When I say common man, you respond by saying united we stand. So common man,
united we stand.
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 That's how we sound. We salute for the common man. And when we are united, we do what? We stand. As simple as that. Kangoba ku mulusoga katono kubanga nva ku itaka lya Kyabazinga. Ate wano Oluganda lungi odi Abaganda mutiraina otufutyanka. Tetuyida tuikiriza tufutyanka. But also I want to recognize the presence of our comrade, our brother, the president of Uganda First, Honorable Hassan Nsubuga. You are most welcome. is very important, and we appreciate your presence. We encourage you to do what? To continue working. Probably you can join us and we work together officially. Abataka nezo kubategeeza nti ekibiina ekyomuntu wa wansi ekya common man kiri kukulaakulana ku speed eya yiri mu mwiti kiri kulaakulana ku speed eya yiri twakaba mu kisaawe ky'ebyobufuzi enaku 14. That is 2 weeks. But muli kubona engeri gye tuyingirire ebitundu eby'endawulo. Ebitundu General Museveni yava mu Western Uganda. Western Uganda wali abantu abali obubi abanaku. Aye nga amaloboozi gaibwe gali suffocated tigavaayo bulungi. So if amaloboozi ago getujja okutoolayo.
Tugaba ddagala Katonda yawonya. Sheikh Masunga ne Hajati Jaliya abasangibwa e Kawanda nga bayita mu kitabo ekitukuvu Kur'ani mu bakuguka okusoma dduwa ezigoba ebisirani ebya buli kika, amajinni, amayembe, emirimu gyo gyafa, olina olutwe oba omukisa gwe gwabula, olina omuntu we yabula naye ng'oyagala akomewo, oba oyagala kugoba mizimu ne balabe bo enga teweddeko soole ng'onoonya omulimu, olina emisango mu kkooti egy'ettaka n'amayumba, olina omuntu walemedde ku mwenga obasigala, omukyala oba omwami nga tolina kwagalwa, ezo zonna ensonga n'ebirala babikolako bulungi nnyo. Basangibwa Kawanda Bombo Road oba bakubireko ku 0769878458 ku email info@masungadoctors.com, ku website www.masungadoctors.com oba ku Facebook Masunga Doctors.
Bina bibabonya Bannayuganda muketegereza ebyobufuzi, Bannayuganda mubonabonezebwa mu ngeri eno obeere tuli kubeeta mu kibiina ekyammwe kye tuweta the Common Man's Party. Mwide mutwegayiteku abali kwenda fulaga edokwesimbawo ku bifo eby'endawulo tubaaniriza. Mwanguweku mwide mwewandiise akakiiko k'ebyokulonda kakulirwa Profesa Mulamba. Oli kyekitegeeza Profesa n'omuntu eyasoma nayagaana akapande akakoba ati there is no school ahead. Gwe beeta Profesa. So mwide akebere empapula daimwendo obwegerese muje mwesimbewo tuje mu government tugeme ekintu kimulwawo era mwanguweku. Era nezo okubategeeza nti muna ko 14 twamana okuba ku byetwogera wano mu kulonkinga ekibiina kyaife. Waliwo amaloboozi agava mu bode etwala ebibiina ebyobufuzi akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ngegezaako otunafuya n'okulowoozesa abantu mbu kyali kibiina kya bwanakyewa, twali bivukavuke twali tukungainaawo nga tuli ku balwali lwaife. Ekintu ekyo tikyali kituufu era omwogezi w'Electoral Commission twasaba chairman amukangayivule kuba yayogera byabufuzi tiyayogeranga mukozi wa gavumenti. Nezo bategeeza nti mu kyapa kya gavumenti twateebwamu mu butongole. Era tuli namba 9 ku lukalala olw'ebibiina ebyobufuzi mu Uganda. So ndikuyisa emyoyo egy'abamemba mwena yemuli eyo nti muyidde mu kibiina kino tukizimbe, kibiina kya muntu wa wansi, kibiina tikyabagayiga. Omugayiga osobola okutwegayitaku aye ng'ojja tusindika busindike ife tuje kubanga nze ebigambo bye nsobola okwogera endala gye ndinayo omugayiga tasobola kubyogera kuba yazira waasi. Obwenzi bwe tulinabwo tidde oba ekyo ekigambo mukiddi bulungi timukiddi ndi mu lusoga nti obwenzi bwe tulinabwo obw'okuleeta enkyukakyuka ife ba common man bungi nno imwe mukitegeera bundi wano mu Buganda but era kituufu bungi nno ate omugayiga tasobola kuba nabo muntegeire. Amiina. N'olwensonga eyo abagayiga tubaaniriza mu kibiina kino aye mwidda tusindika busindike. Kino ekibiina kya muntu wa wansi asembayo era nze nga Secretary General ntera obubaka bwaife ntera butambuliza munimbe muduwa eyo omuntu wa wansi gyakuŋŋaanira omuntu asembayo gyaba ife gye tukola ki gye tutambuliza obubaka bwaife. N'olwensonga eyo ensonga eyo mwegitegeere bulungi. Ensonga eyindi ya ngeri banaife abaali batiire nti common man etandikibwawo kubalwanisa. Tukwenda okubategeeza nti gaapu yaliwo y'amaanyi nga titubona bantu bava mu NRM kwegayita ku opposition. Abavaayo na selfish interest. Aye bwine abantu baife abatandise okuva bano bavuga abasinga obungi babeere be NRM okuva mu Western Uganda. Omukulu ow'ekaliro abaire we NRM okuva mu Busoga. Ate munaida mu Busoga mujja kubona delegations eduvire mu NRM okwegayita common man is party. So ife tuli kuvuba abawagizi abasinga obungi nga tubatoola mu kibiina kyetulwanisa ekya NRM. Tituwenze mutusibe ku lusigiitu n'okwongera okutwogerera ebikikinike mbu tuliwo kulwanisa sijui kibiina fulani sijui kibiina fulani. Ife olutalo lwaife lulina General Kaguta Museveni ne system ye emubeezaawo muki mu gavumenti. Omuntu asira gavumenti tukulwanisa tutya? Ng'otwaire ku NRM kibiina ki mu Uganda ekindi ekiwandiika ku lupapula nirukola. Kibiina ki ekindi ekigaba police bond. Waliwo ekibiina wano ekigaba court bail nga si NRM. Kibiina ki ekindi ekirya sente oluguudo oba ekirulima. So lwaki mweta mu firing line? So timumalira bantu biseera. Not said badi bawaireku musoke musirike. Mwire mubegula ebitabo bya political science we munafuna notice mwida kuira mu kisaawo. Bati mweta mu firing line ya bwerere tini mwa abayina gavumenti. Ife likunoonya gavumenti era tugisobola. President wuyo, Secretary General ndiwo, ba professor baliwo, ba lawyer tulinabo. Buti kabadde kyakaba mu government yakasobola otulemesa. Mwanemerera wali mu parliament as a leader of government business. Prime Minister General Bigirwa Moses mukoba nti ebintu bitambule. Wacha wewe. So timweta mu firing line ife tuli kulwanisa omuntu gwe twidde obuki obulungi. Era yatwiriza iro omuliro. Yatandise iro kagakanga abantu baife. Abantu baife tubayirenga nabo wano abava mu Western Uganda abandi babakubira amasimu agabatiisa. Olisegeera. Ate imwaba imwe nga tebabatiisa. Kubanga bamemba abava mu Western Uganda abali mu NUP bali comfortable. Abali mu FDC bali comfortable. Ife babatiisiza. Why? Abandi babagobye ku mirimo. Just 14 days in existence. Abantu baife abandi babagobye kuki? Ku mirimo. Tuna engineer waife yabaira kola muota bamubizi. Tuna council waife delegates conference ya muwogezi wano obwiduvu bamutaire kwembeera. Ati kino nkaiwe wetabire mu bintu ebyo. Olulalo lwavuze wano olukambwe ino. Benda tusuuza ba member baife. Ate imwaba imwe bali comfortable. Takudde kyakali yawo. So twabazwire ayiti mututaanula. So ekisembera yonna nti tujja kuba ne political academy eitendekero eri abakulembeze ku mitendera gyonna. Tuli kwenda abantu baife babenga basobola okwatitulatinga issues. Tujja kubakobera ideology yaife mu bwiduvu bwayo. Kubanga abamawulire mutendera okubuuza ebibuuzo ebyo. What is your ideology? Tujaji bakobera mu time ya yentuufu era press conference enairaku oba activity enairaku mu field eyensonga tujaji communicatinga bulungi eve mu idiro administratively. Mu mane wawe twemereire political spectrum line. Eyensi yona so tiya Uganda yonka. Ensonga noza mulidi ulira bulungi engege dikola ki geditambulamu. So saa yona tujja kugula wa academy eyo tulikubeeta mwena abantu abendawulo abakulembeze abendawulo muide musome ebyobufuzi byene ebyekitegeevu twakoye politics waliwo omukulu gwe yayetanga politics of komanyoko oyo politics twamukoye omuntu azira nsonga ng'ozira issues lwaki ogema omuzindaalo okuvuma obuvume kwali kutwere ku gavumenti yaawe ekisooka kabonero ka bunafu abakazi abayombiyombi ku mizigo baba banafu omukazi ow'amaani akukubirawo oluyi tayiramu ebyombu biki mbw akuvuma envume mwawo ebivumeza kye bikyusa. So we are not a party for komanyoko politics, we are a party for real politics, we are a party for power game, we are not a party for gamblers. Nolwensonga eyo mutute mu kategore ki mu kategore yandawulo tuti bwe tusoundinga era tuti bwe twogera bwe tupe ebibala gyaife bwe ndogera nti common man ekisooka tusalutinga common man imwe mwiramu nti united we do what we stand. So kambete common man common man common man omubala ogwo mugugeme bulungi kuba n'ogujja okukolawa mu field. Sebo Mr. President saluti dada obulamu olungi obwire bugiri bano mawulire nindamu okubaniriza ne bamemba mwena mwena mwebala okwida abaviire enda ow'ekyalo kino. Ekigambo enda mu Lusoga kitegeeza abavudde ewala, those who came from far, you are most welcome. Katwala omukisa guno okuyita Commander in Chief Mr. President Haji Ali Haji Mubaraka Munyagwa ate era nga akyali mugaati gwa bata. Nsaba era awerekerweko ne First Lady jangu oyimirireko mu kamera wano naawe bakuwagireko oba ovumweko kubanga bulijjo okutekera olutalo luno. Mr. President, you are most welcome and you can take from there. Thank you very much.